Hello ho ho, welcome to the third part of the HTML series. And today we are looking at two separate topics which are a little bit too small to make up an entire video around it. So we're looking at images and also at commenting. And first, images, pretty simple. We have to have the image in the same directory as the HTML file. Then we can, inside the body, we can simply use the img tag. We have to use source equals, and now the name of the image. And we can, the name of the image, 1 second. Here we go. Save and view. Here we go. And now we have my secret little crush as an image inside our HTML file. Okay. If you're using Visual Studio, just be sure that the image is really in the same directory as the HTML file. To make this sure, just click on your HTML file, go to File Path, and copy this path inside your Windows Explorer, like this. And you should see if the right image is inside this folder. If it's not, just copy it inside here. I already copied it inside this directory, and if it's not there, just copy it there and everything is fine. Otherwise, you can also copy the entire path of the picture inside a source. Okay, next one is the alternative, Alt. So sometimes the picture can't be shown. For me, it was if I for example, mess up the file path or anything like this, can simply write in something like. And again, in both cases, don't forget the quotation marks. I kind of forgot that to mention. Hello, your picture. I am Schrödinger's picture. Now again, strgs, I mean, like this. I am Schrödinger's picture. Now we have to mess it a little bit up. And again, I'm Schrödinger's picture. Now he shows a text instead the picture because he can't load the picture. If that's the case, he will use alternative. And we can also, now let's get back. So now it's back to normal. We can also have parameters width and height. If we only alter the width or the height without the other one, the entire size will, I can show you that, it will be, the entire image will be resized. So now, if you see here, it's just made smaller. Same goes for height. And if we now do both, this is wrong. Oh, come on, why is this not working? Now it should be working. Now you can see it is made like this. It is entirely has a new size. Okay, that's everything regarding images. Now let's comment our code. To comment, you simply have to type in something like this. Like a tag, but then you have a quotation mark and 2 minus signs, and then you can write anything you want in that. That's commenting. It's just in the comment you write down what the code will do, what the code should do for someone who maybe wants to edit your code, wants to work with your code, anything like this. Yeah, that's probably it regarding commenting. I wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in your country. See you fully in part 4. With that in mind, bye bye.